Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CREALITY Ender-3 S1. The sprite is lighter and features less inertia and more precise positioning. Supports PLA/TPU/PETC/ABS print filaments. 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you the trouble of manual leveling and makes leveling simple and easy. With a Z-axis dual screw plus Z-axis dual motor design, Ender-3 S1 works smoother and more synchronously to lower the possibility of lines and ridges on the sides of your print, thus improving the printing quality. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker. The model can be stick to the platform or take off more easier. Ender-3 S1 features the function of detecting filament runout or breakage, power loss and resume printing after recovery by accurately recording the printing data at the time of power outage. Filament runout or breakage. It helps to avoid the waste of filaments and time caused by accidents. The brand new 32-bit silent mainboard runs at low decibel levels, greatly reducing noise to let you enjoy your printing. 96% of the printer body is pre-installed, making assembling extremely convenient with only 6 steps and the maintenance of the printer simple and easy. Number 2. CREALITY Ender-3 V2. Ender-3 V2 has the same delicate appearance as the DIY 3D printer kit Ender-3, and integrated all-metal body inherited from its predecessor Ender-3. Firm and stable. With integrated structure and modular design, the power supply is concealed in the machine. It's more convenient and safer for you to operate. Equipped with the carburetor glass platform as always. The platform enables the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without the warping. So you will see the ultra smoothness even on the first layer of the model. The Ender-3 V2 is equipped with a new self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. Therefore, when you print the model at night, please don't worry, it will not disturb your rest, so that not only you can have a good night, but also you can print the exquisite model. We both know when we put the filament into the extruder, it's a little difficult to feed in. So CREALITY adds a rotary knob on the extruder to operate conveniently. And what's more, we need to press the extrusion clamp to feed in. Sometimes the extrusion clamp is easy to be broken, so the rotary knob is a very friendly design. For the smart sensor, it's sure that the resume printing function won't be less. In the printing process, if the printing filaments are run out or accidentally broken, please don't worry, the detector will protect them to turn off the power. And when you replace the filament and connect the power, the printing will continue from the broken position. The model will be complete. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times, 500 mm per second maximum printing speed, 20,000 mm/s2 acceleration. Equipped with a high-performance dual-core Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, and controlling motor movement, which results in 10x faster printing by utilizing an optimized direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system. It can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. By designing a unique module, after automatic leveling, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. Number 4. Sovol SV06 Plus. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 Plus has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements. 300 by 300 by 340 printing size makes SVO6 Plus unique among i3 structure 3D printers. Modular design allows you to assemble SVO6 Plus within 5 steps easily, more applicable for household use. All metal hot end with larger melt zone enables you to print faster. High flow up to 20 cubic millimeters/s to achieve 250 millimeters per second printing speed that greatly reduces the probability of clogging. Working with SVO6 Plus clipper screen, SVO6 Plus can reach a fast and upgraded printing speed of 350 millimeters per second. All metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Sovol self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, provide SVO6 Plus with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. Day and night modes can be switched casually. The unique Sovol UI and sensitive response bring you better experience than knob display. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. The maximum print speed is 250 millimeters per second. Recommended print speed is 150 millimeters per second. Ensures a perfect blend of precision and performance. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60-watt hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. A completely renewed UI design with the use of 2.4-inch LCD knob screen and the introduction of new design elements, provide a more intuitive, simple, easy to navigate interface. With the design of a unique module, their Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios. The whole machine consists of 5 modules with a gantry frame structure design. Easy assembly and less maintenance for a fast printing experience.